as I trained approximately 1,500 students and among them approximately 15 of them established their own here.
This is our development center in Lahore. I can show you a lot of pictures and videos.
So,
So the chair of the Pakistan IT Association's Global Outreach Program. Our aim is to connect with our global counterparts all across the globe where there's destinations for IT and technology and help gain that kind of a visibility and build those collaborations with our counterparts in different countries. That's the reason why we are here today as well. Before I move on and give you a bit of an introduction about the Pakistan IT and Tech, I would like to invite Her Excellency Sadia Altaf Qazi, the Ambassador of Pakistan, to welcome you on behalf of the Embassy of Pakistan, who is the co-host of our event today.
I, Pakistan's Ambassador to Norway and Iceland, welcome you all to Pak Norway B2B Tech Connect event, which is a registered activity of Oslo Innovation Week 2024, and we are thankful to Oslo Business Region for their support in holding it. I have the pleasure to state that the government of Pakistan is making focused efforts to project its vast IT potential in international digital hubs, including certainly Norway. And these efforts have paid off. 2. In 2021, Norway was the 10th largest source of ICT earnings for Pakistan, 10th largest in 2021, and in 2024 it has risen 2 notches up to be the 8th largest source of IT remittances to Pakistan. In fact, Pakistan's exports to Norway, including telecommunication, computer, and information services, have surged from $9.3 million in fiscal year 22-23 to $47.2 million in fiscal year 23-24. That is a phenomenal increase of 413%. Credit of this growth to visible participation and successful networking of Pakistani tech sector, I already shared with you. And encouraged by this, supported by Pakistan's Federal Ministry for Information Technology and Communications, as well as Trade Development Authority of Pakistan. And they have again undertaken to participate in Oslo Innovation Week 2024 so as to ensure continued visibility of Pakistan's IT sector to the Nordic IT system. Today, the Embassy of Pakistan, along with Pasha in partnership with SMB Norge and IKT Norge, is organizing this event aiming to bring together top IT business leaders and technologies from both countries for a core networking session to enable mutual growth and collaboration. Ladies and gentlemen, you all must be familiar with Pakistan. But perhaps you all may not be familiar with that Pakistan which we want to present to you. With a tech-savvy young population, an emerging economy and growing tech community, Pakistan is all set to become a tech destination. Pakistani startups raised more than $1 billion in last 6 years. Pakistani origin entrepreneurs in USA and Middle East have founded more than a dozen unicorns, including few prominent names like Kareem, Affinity, and Keep Truckin'. Endeavor Catalyst managing partner Ellen Kinsey Taylor predicted 20 unicorns in Pakistan by 2030. The gold mine of Pakistan is the 65% of its 240 million population under the age of 30. Pakistan is the 4th largest English-speaking country by population. It is also the 2nd largest supplier of online skilled labor in software development and technology, and also financially the 2nd most competitive outsourcing destination for digital solutions. One of the many strengths of Pakistan is its strategic location, lending it the time zone advantage. It also boasts of an advanced IT infrastructure with over 30 technology parks nationwide. Pakistan encourages foreign investment and in IT and AI domains Pakistan offers 100% company ownership. To promote IT exports, it offers a tax rate of as low as 0.25% and provides 100% repatriation of profits and dividends. Pakistan is taking the international stage by showcasing its enormous potential in the IT sector by participating in tech moves worldwide. And this is now in Norway that they have started to come, and you will keep seeing them very tangibly, we hope that in future. And with that hope, I tell you that with Pakistan's increasing capability, reliability, and affordable cost environment, we bring to you the Pakistan, which is an ideal tech destination. Thank you.
Partners to collaborate with us in the European region as well, and that's where we are trying to promote as the association, as the government, to make sure that we are able to build upon our IT and technology policy. And number three, whatever is going on in the world in terms of the latest tech and skills, we are able to bring it back and bring the industry, academia, government, and research sector all together to focus on that. Contributor, we have about 60% people less than 30 years of age in order to stay on top of the latest technology stacks which are emerging all across the globe. You have seen that there are about 50 which are worthwhile. Over the last 5 from our association, also continuous support from our government, because the government has all tables, IT and technology parks out there. We have a special technology zone that has been built up now. We're push for local entrepreneurship, local founders who started coming up with building up their own products, not only for Pakistan, but also serving the US market. In health tech, education tech, services tech, BPO, TRG is a big name. Also highlights the fact that the startup culture, the innovation culture is taking up. And this is all global investment. 8 to 10, I would say, across 8 to 10 cities, they have opened up their own. We have also seen some success stories in terms of mergers and acquisitions going on. DigitalOcean, a large-scale organization, counterparts where it's very hard to even sometimes determine the grade of quality. Still, Pakistan is a very open space, and you will find graduates coming like health tech, education tech, advertisement tech, and telecom in Pakistan, Pakistan Software Export Board, and vice versa. Thank you so much.
Dear Jamil, dear friends, you guys in the back must not be familiar with the Norwegian. Visited Norway before, and you've started to work here, and you've started to build relations here, which is incredibly good. And you're not only as representative of your companies, but you're also here as ambassadors for Pakistan in Norway, and particularly ambassadors for the Pakistani tech sector in Norway. I mean, you know, some of you might wonder, why should we come here at the, some might call, edge of the world, and some might say, you know, there is like 4 Norways in one Karachi. However, make no mistake, I mean, Norway is a incredible powerhouse when it comes to consumption of digital products, and is rapidly becoming an incredibly digital.
Is the Trade and Employers Association with the Norwegian largest employers organization, the NHO, the Confederation of Norwegian Enterprises. So we are part of that system, but also our own separate organization. Together they represent most of Norwegian business field with over 30,000 companies. We in Abelia are the 4th largest organization in NHO, representing about, we need to go global. Most startups that I work with today in the tech sector say they're born global. Norway is not a market that's big enough to support a company on its own in the digital space. So our companies are reaching out globally, and we are more than welcome to also import and have people reach out to us, because we need that exchange of knowledge and ideas and value that comes from international trade and peaceful association. Enabling technologies, unfortunately, among the 22 countries that we compared in our annual transition index, Norway finds itself squarely in the middle. And our Nordic neighbors had some very nice things to say about our sector and our country, and I agree with them, of course. But we still have some issues, and those issues are issues that we can find help with abroad, find help with through cooperation with companies from other parts of the world. So that's why I'm very honored and thankful to be here today to meet you guys.
And we would love to see their experiences. I'll start with Christine here. Christine, if you can talk a little bit about what you have done and how you see collaboration with Pakistan based on your experiences.
Thank you, Jamil, and hello everyone. This is great. So it's about 10 years ago that I started to work with the Pakistan relations through a friend of mine, Afak Ahmed, that I met in Austin, Texas. And we tried to do something in 2016 to have a Karachi Oslo Startup Challenge, because we did see a huge benefit both by the tech savvy people from Pakistan, and also that they could come and learn how to, I don't know, maybe not have too many cars on the roads and stuff. and a lot of things are working here in Norway that could be something that they could bring back home. Anyway, so fast forward for 2019, I met another one, Ashish Ahmed, in also Austin. And he came here brought Pasha and came to Oslo Innovation Week. And after that, I've been there 3 times. This year, I could bring Vibeke and Usman and Raja and Henry. And we had a great time. Do you want to say something about you know? Yeah.
Hi, hello everyone. Very grateful to be here. I was so honored to be invited to go to Tech in Lahore and got to do a keynote speech there about House of Math. House of Math per today has more than 200,000 registered users in Pakistan. And what I loved about Sadia, first time I told her that, she was all, you should have way more. And I was like, yes, you are my kind of girl. We need way more. And this is why Pakistan is important for us. We have about 2.5 million registered users globally, and Pakistan is an important market. Also, what I love about it is that you focus on STEM. Math is important. And math is, of course, important to me too. And one of the good things here is I flunked math in high school, literally flunked math. Now I'm a mathematician. So I know how it is to be the idiot in the class brain. But there's been a road traveled. And what we do with our platform is to show you how to go from where you are to where you want to go in the shortest amount of time when it comes to learning math. Because I don't mean to be negative, but not everyone loves math as I do and want to do it on their spare time. A lot of people want to do as little math as humanly possible so they can go and do whatever else. And this is what we want to bring to Pakistan. So going there, meeting the best of people, being taken care of in a way that was just unbelievable, all thanks to Kristen, who's one of these super connectors. So, you know, you want to talk to her during the day. Having the best possible meet I've had in my life, meeting a lot of heavy players who can really help lifting. House of Math is looking to get a good, solid partner in Pakistan that could be helping us to get our product to millions of people, like Sadia said. So for us, I just want to say thank you so much for getting to be here, to reach out. If there's anything we can contribute with, I'd really like to see how I can help as well. And I want to build the House of Math story in Pakistan as well. So that's kind of the short part and how I loved going there, and I hope to go again. And I think there's some in the making already, if I'm not wrong.
He has been able to build. I personally believe that it's phenomenal. I'll quickly invite Raja Khurram to speak about his venture and his experiences in Pakistan.
Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, thank you to the Embassy of Pakistan, the total team, who has organized this event this year, but also last year. I got an invitation from Her Excellency to come to this event last time, and I met one of my good friends, Christian, for the first time. And then she encouraged me. He made like super connector. She connected me with a lot of people, invited me to, Oslo Innovation Week events. Even I couldn't because I work as a doctor, so I couldn't come on them. But one of those events were the Pak Tech Summit. So I was really curious about who are these people who are coming from Pakistan. And I thought it was some Norwegian Pakistanis behind this. It was like what I assumed when I came there. And I saw, no, I was the only one. And the Usman was, and some other who were invited as guests. And it was really interesting. There I saw the panel discussion between Alan Eidsvoll, the guy who introduced Yangu in Pakistan. It was a huge, and he's also a good friend of mine. And he sat in a panel with a guy named Samad Salim, CEO of DG Trends in Pakistan. So they were talking about health tech. As a physician working in Norway last 8 years, I have seen the challenge we are facing in Norway. We lack a lot of health people, health workers, and we saw that they were talking about technology that we could use. So we had one online meeting with Samad, and the second one with another friend of mine, Henry, as Christian told, who also went to Pakistan with me. And for the third meeting, we went to Karachi. And it was a little bit, challenging because Henry is a Norwegian guy. He talked with his Pakistani friends, and they told him to get some armed guards when you are in Pakistan. And he called me and said, Raja, what are you doing? I can't go there without guards. I said, okay. I called Samad. I said, sir, Henry is a little bit, afraid. He wants some guards. He said, if you want them, I can get you. But you don't need. I said, Henry, I don't think we need these guards. Let's go. And we traveled there. We went to these beautiful people. We went there. And we had one lawyer here talking about these legal things. And we actually got one legal advice from Varjag Advokater in Sandvika. They helped us, and we registered one company in Norway, DG Trends, actually DG Trends Holding, and we already delivered 2 software programs for dental clinics and for some medical clinics as well. So we already started some business thanks to this event last year, and thanks again to this invitation. So you can see that why networking with these kind of super connectors, you make business, and now I see, I can give you one example of Norwegian. I always use the company name Moods of Norway. It's a Norwegian company. Idea was Norwegian, but everything they made was in Cambodia, China, Pakistan, Bangladesh. What we said is Norwegian. And just like today, if we have these ideas in Norway and we get people from Pakistan making these things for us, we say these are Norwegians. So again, as a doctor, I will tell you a small story about one software company called Pridoc. Probably some of you heard about that. They make these electronic patient records. So what they did, it was one doctor, one engineer, and I think one economist. They went together and said, we need to make a new software system. In 10 years, this Norwegian company, I think they had 30 to 40 developers. They made a company which they sold, I think, last month for 500 million NOK. So it was a need of time. That software, I use it, a lot of other doctors use it. So then I saw the potential of health tech in Norway. So let's connect together, find the solutions because Norway needs people, Norway needs technology. And we are getting elderly wave very soon in Norway. So we have a lot of challenges we have to meet. So thank you.
And everyone, and hopefully this thing is beneficial for everyone. So we deals in all sort of digital advertisement in Pakistan across USA, and all the clients is from basically based out of USA. So we have the work in-house for this tech department, we have sales department, and we have customer support in Pakistan, and all the clients belongs from USA, and we deals in website development, Google advertisement, social media, and search engine optimization, and different social media platforms as well. So it's a great opportunity to be the part and be in Oslo as well. So if anybody looking for some sort of like digital advertisement, let us know in Pakistan so we can help you out with. And it's been like more than 20 years we are running this business in Pakistan related with USA. Thank you.
Everyone, welcome to Pasha Tech Connect. I am a CTO and a co-founder at Scalar Technologies. We are basically a software services company. We have some exceptional talent, and we basically have a lot of talent that have done certifications on the cloud side, on AI side. We mainly work with both. We mainly develop apps both in mobile and web, and we already have a ton of success stories on the AI side of things as well as on blockchain. On the AI, some of the stories that I like to share quickly, if the time permits, as Moonhub, that is an AI company that we partnered with. That recently got $4 million in funding. Then we had PromptPal on AI, which right now has 20,000 paying subscribers. And we also have some on the blockchain side of things, one of which is BitCompare, that currently has 300,000 active users and around 20 exchanges that have partnered with them. So it's lovely to connect with all of you if the time permits. And welcome to Pasha Tech. Thanks. I'm sorry. So my name is Alishan. I'm a CTO and founder at Scalar Technologies.
Founder in CEO Spotcom Global. We are into managed services business. I'm the youngest CCN in CCN from Pakistan. So currently we are serving UAE and US. In US we are working with a Denver-based ISP named as Sian Wireless. They have 15,000 residential customers. As I own my own data center in Pakistan and a dedicated NOC, so my team is handling that particular network while sitting in Karachi. So this is the biggest achievement for us up till now. And when I say MSP business, so we do on-prem to cloud migrations, we do cybersecurity consultancy services, and we also do a Wi-Fi. We also have our own SaaS-based product, which caters the Wi-Fi advertising market. Thank you.
My name is Usama Rashid. When I first came to Europe some 20 years ago, so a lot of bells rang when my name was taken. But hopefully that's not the case now. I am CEO and founder of V2F Solutions, which is the tech company. This morning I was attending an event which was about impact investing. And after the event ended, I was chatting with the organizers and they asked for my feedback. And I said that, I believe that every business must have a purpose. If you don't have a purpose, the business might go directionless. So when 8 years ago V2F Solutions was founded, we had 3 objectives, vision, mission, as part of our purpose of the organization, that we want to earn and save foreign exchange for the country, we want to generate employment, and we want to do business in a highly ethical manner. And this has been our journey till now in every element of the work that we do. In terms of our offerings, we are into, we are doing staff augmentation operations for a US-based company for their global operations in US, Canada, Spain, Mexico, Netherlands, Germany, South Africa, India, and few other countries as well. Then we are also into software development and also into outsourcing and consulting. We are looking to partner with like-minded companies and become their technology arm as well. And looking forward to meet all of you. Thank you very much.
Hey everyone, this is Umar. I'm the CEO and co-founder of DevZarch. Pretty pumped to be here. Literally, I feel like my heart is gonna pop out. So we are the most youngest company here, I guess. But our story goes way back. So we met, me and my co-founder Aswad, we met when we were working for a Silicon Valley-based Y Combinator-backed company as engineers. And one thing that we have seen that is different in the conventional agencies is the way that we perform, like the SOPs and the way we build products and the processes. That really matters a lot when it comes to building quality systems. So we got together and we started this company, DevZarch. The whole concept is to not just nurture talent, not just build products, but train talent, invest in our people in a way that they can perform 10 times better, which is absolutely possible. With 10x agility, we build products. For example, so with AI, we use Cursor to implement solutions faster than conventional agencies. We use different tools like Rabbit, these tools to really convert Right now we have around 30 engineers in-house in Lahore, and then 2 people in Brussels, and around 4 engineers in the US. In the short span of 2 years, we worked with one of the Fortune 500 companies, Kia Motors, building an IoT-based product that was implemented in their assembly unit. We worked with a lot of Y Combinator backed Silicon Valley products like Kit Magic, Ediona Health, and we did a lot of mental well-being health tech solutions as well. And we look forward to connect and see if we can participate or in some ways to help out in the engineering sector. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the time. I'm Moise, and pretty amazing to be here. I'm founder of Granger. We are a 3-year-old startup. I started this company from my dorm when I was 22. And we had this crazy idea that, we talk about connecting everything around us. We talk about smart cars, smart industries, cities, and we just basically collecting this gigantic amount of data. But what to do with this everything that we collect with, and how to make it possible for stakeholders to make sense of it. So I designed this ML Ops data ops platform with which you can collect data, store it, and understand what the story it tells. And it all happens without code, so you can just type what you want and it automatically populates the dashboard or everything, the reporting for you. So it's live right now, largely in US. We have more than 10,000 customers, developers, engineers, startup founders, people who previously had no idea on how to do data science, machine learning. So we make it accessible for them, electrical engineers. So yeah, right now we have investors in US and Pakistan, also in Europe. We're backed by Hustle Fund, Alchemist, and a lot of amazing Asian investors. So thank you so much again for hosting us. It's amazing to be here.
And I'm co-founder and head of professional services of SIPSAP Optimization. We are a company, we're implementing SAP all over the world, from Pakistan, in Canada, in US. And we are dealing in all SAP products, SAP Business One, SAP BioDesign, and SAP S4HANA. And we are developing so many products for different industry verticals. Those are SAP integrated, SAP centric applications. Like we are working for US Customs, we are working for education sector. We are developing so many products for the education sector, like learning management system, education management system, and university management system, etc. So we completed more than 100 projects in last 4 years in different domains, in different industry verticals. We are working in so many domains like manufacturing, like as mentioned earlier, in education sector, in retail sector, in steel manufacturing, etc. So everything can be configurable and implementable in SAP. We proved this in where we implemented in so many sectors first time. Like later in the later stages, it was a myth. We cannot implement SAP in real estate sector. So we implemented successfully so many companies in real estate sectors. And another myth, SAP is very expensive. So we proved that SAP is not expensive now, because we have so many variants of SAP products. So those are very cost effective and very easily available for startups and SMEs. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. I'm Fahad Raja from Mirpur Azad Kashmir. I am the CEO of Mobilite and founder of Digital Kashmir program. Mobilite is a software house that is providing IT related services including web development, digital marketing, app development, and search engine optimization. We are working with plenty of companies. They are American based companies, and Digital Kashmir program is a platform in which we empower young individuals to enable them to earn online using freelancing and potentially become future entrepreneurs. That is a short introduction. It was great meeting with you guys. Thank you very much.
Hello everybody and good evening. It's Malik here from Nestle IT. I'm the CEO and founder of the company right now. I won't speak about my accomplishments a lot right now. I would just speak about the USP that we are serving at the moment. We do the product validation at the very initial stages. This is the core that we are serving in. And the second one is the market validation, because we can develop the products, we can develop the solutions. We have very specific industries in which we serve. We have the edtech industry, and the second one is the logistical industry where we serve in. So that's all about myself. I would love to connect with all of you, and thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you guys. So this is the kind of a glimpse
and you've already seen the diversity from products to services to implementations to cybersecurity to AI and ML. This is where we are open for collaboration, and we would love to jointly build things together. Once again, I would like to thank you on behalf of the Pakistan IT Industry Association, and towards the end, I would like to call Her Excellency Sadia to come and say the closing remarks. And once again, thank you to the Pakistan Embassy for giving us the space and collaborating with us.
For the speakers, what else is left for me to say after all you have heard, and then the promising tech entrepreneurs from Pakistan? After hearing you, my head has risen with pride, and keep the flag high, I would say, and keep that flag far into Norway, where, as Jamil said, the diaspora's first wave that came early 70s, and they were all illiterate, if not all, most of them, and they helped build Norway physically. Today, in the smart world, now I think Norway is building itself digitally, and there also you won't find Pakistan lacking. And when I invite you to meet, greet and eat, I just want to wrap up by saying that Pakistan is not just a place where mountains meet. Pakistan is a place where tech giants also meet. So with this, enjoy authentic Pakistani cuisine, and over it, explore what we have been telling you. Explore it for yourself. Thank you.